Let's begin. Following successful installation of the Sprint telematics device into your vehicle, you will be provided with a unique username and password to enable you to log into your account. After successfully logging into the monitoring system, you will automatically enter the live screen, where one or all of your vehicles can be viewed on a UK map. The buttons shown to the left of the screen represent individual vehicles, which can be programmed to show the name of the driver and the vehicle registration, in addition to a picture detailing the vehicle type or driver. This makes switching between the vehicles easy. When a button is selected, it will instantly zoom in on the vehicle location. The plus and minus keys allow the user to easily zoom in and out of any location. This makes it easy to view the area and surrounding streets. The button containing the 3 dots to the right of the zoom buttons will allow you to revert back to the general view, which displays all of the vehicles. You can use the mouse to drag the map to different areas if required. Selecting the next button to your right will change the drag feature to allow you to zoom in on a specific area of the map by creating a box. As standard, the system provides you with access to 5 different types of maps. According to preference, you can change the map to show more emphasis on different points of interest. For example, the public transport map is designed to show more information in respect of bus stops and railway stations. In addition to the 5 maps, you can view the vehicle location in a photographic satellite view by clicking on the vehicle location followed by the Google icon. This can in turn be converted to a view at street level, which can easily be navigated using Google Street Viewer. This window can easily be closed to revert back to the original live view. There is more information on the right-hand side of the screen in terms of the location address and the vehicle coordinates, with the addition of a recent log of the journey, start and stops. Each journey start and stop can show more detail in a mouse click, which will in turn show the date, time and location. At the top of the screen to the left, you can use this area to switch away from the live screen to view the history of each journey in more detail. This screen allows you to view specific journey dates with detail, including a green circle to indicate where the journey commenced and a red circle for when the journey finished. The blue line between the 2 coloured circles shows the route the vehicle has taken between the journey start and stop. Similar to the live screen, you can then zoom in to specific parts of the route taken, where each satellite trace is shown with small blue arrows. These arrows show specific points where the vehicle has communicated its coordinates to the system for historic analysis. Hovering the mouse over these arrows will again provide access to Google's aerial and street view for further interrogation. It also provides details of date, time, distance, duration, and even speed of travel. To many users, monitoring the speed of the vehicle is very important. The filter area to the right of the map can be used to break down specific areas of a journey to detail which particular parts were subject to possible speeding. We use the filter in this area to preset the speeds according to colour to provide a graphical illustration of different speeds along the route. Ticking each box and associating an appropriate colour makes it easy to recognise excessive speeds at a glance. In this instance, speeds of up to 30 miles per hour are shown in yellow, up to 50 miles per hour in orange, and in above 50 miles per hour in red. We can apply a further colour to show speeds of over 70 miles per hour in purple by adding another colour. Similarly, you can then zoom in on areas of the journey to drill down for further information. At the top of the screen, you can leave the history area and select reporting, which will show the same historical information in an easy-to-understand reporting format. Entering this area will automatically display a journey report for the previously selected vehicle. Detail in respect of each journey is displayed on each row, showing the trip address and start time with the trip address and stop time. The pause column indicates the engine idle time, which represents the total amount of time that the vehicle has been stationary whilst the engine has been running. Scrolling to the right will display more columns in the report layout. The track column can be used to allocate job numbers, customer names, site information, or any text relating to the particular journey. These journeys can be filtered using the search box at the top of the column. Similarly, the search boxes to the left offer searching addresses for where journeys have commenced or finished. For example, entering a town will automatically display all journeys that started or finished in that location. The remaining 3 columns display further information regarding the trip time, the average speed, and the total distance. Selecting the filter symbol at the top of these columns will allow you to hide or display journeys using the slide bar, which appears to select the parameters of the column. You can also drill down further to obtain more information about the journey by selecting the blue information icon to the left of each displayed journey. This will further break down each point where the vehicle communicated its position. This information is also displayed at the foot of the report, showing a graph of speed against altitude. The detail shown at the top of this report displays the information shown in the previous selected row in a more easy-to-read view. Just below this area are some icons, of which the first will export the data to an external program or spreadsheet for further analysis. The next button to the right allows you to print the selected report, and the Grid Properties button allows you to choose the columns to be displayed in the report. You can return to the previous view by closing this report, where you can see the icons are also displayed in the top left. The next section refers to the geofence area. A geofence allows you to set on screen and optional mobile text alerts for when a vehicle enters or leaves a predefined area. To set a geofence, you must first drag the map to the desired location and zoom in on the approximate area using the plus and minus keys. Selecting the first empty tab on the bottom right-hand side of the screen will display an orange box detailing the geofence area. This can be moved by dragging the middle of the box to a different area on the map, which can also be increased or decreased in size by dragging the corners. The size and location of the box is very important, as it will cause an alert every time a vehicle enters or exits the designated area. To complete the setup of the geofence, you must enter the name and any required UK mobile number to receive a text alert, in addition to any message that you wish to be displayed on the recipient's mobile phone. You can then specify whether you want the alarm to be triggered upon entering, leaving, or entering and leaving the geofence area. Once the enabled box has been ticked and the geofence is saved, you are ready to start receiving alerts. Finally, we leave the geofence area of the screen to display some user-defined information relating to the device and user settings. The User tab allows you to update the name, email address, and log-on password. The Website tab provides the ability to change the way the vehicle is displayed, and you can use the Device tab to change the picture of the tracking device on the map. From the settings, you can return to the live screen using the icon on the bottom left of the screen.